Pag-ibig MP2 or AIA Money Tree. Since madami nagko-comment dun sa isang video ko na why not MP2 na lang, let's talk about these two powerful options for Filipino investors. Pag-ibig MP2 and AIA Money Tree invested in the Global Dynamic Income Funds. And maging clear tayo rito, this is not a battle. Smart investors like you can use both. So pag-usapan natin. First, si Pag-ibig MP2, it's the conservative builder. It's government-backed. Alam natin yan. Historically strong dividends. Tapos may 5-year lock-in which builds you discipline. Let's look at the numbers. If you invested 500,000 at an average of 6% annually sa dividends niya, compounded for 5 years. So after 5 years, your money could grow to around 669,000 pesos. That's about 169,000 total gain over 5 years. So solid, stable, peso-based. Now, pag-usapan naman natin si AIA Money Tree invested in the GDIF or the Global Dynamic Income Fund. Last September 2025, the fund released dividends at an annualized rate of 5.53%. If you use that as a sample rate, again, just for illustration, nag-invest ka ng 500,000, at 5.53% annual rate, compounded for 5 years, kunyari kumita siya, no? It could grow to approximately 654,000. That's around 154,000 in potential growth. Plus, not to mention, quarterly dividend payouts along the way. So, sa 5% dividend payout, around ganun din yung rate natin ngayon. It would be about 25,000 per year, 5% ng 500,000. So it will be around 125,000 additional over 5 years, giving you a total of 779,000 no, for your 500,000 na initial investment. So again, since investment linked ito, these values are not guaranteed. And unlike MP2, this is invested in global markets, not just in the Philippine economy. Plus, you get life insurance protection included. 125% ng investment mo. So, kung 500,000, insured ka ng approximately like 625,000. So, covered ka in case something happens. So, what's the real difference? Si MP2, it's government-backed, 5-year fixed term, and then conservative growth. So, alam mo may dividends ka every year. Right? So guaranteed yun, hindi lang guaranteed yung amount. Si Money Tree, global diversification, dividend income potential, hindi kasi guaranteed yung dividends, but most of the time, the companies pay naman. No? So the companies abroad, kumikita naman sila, so nagbabayad ng dividends. And then, there's a market-driven upside. Kasi aside from dividends, pwedeng mag-grow yung initial investment mo, not just the dividends na nagko-compound. Alright? With built-in life insurance din siya. So, why they work together? So, tignan natin if ginamit mo both, di ba? Kasi hindi natin siya kailangan pagbanggain. One is not better than the other. Smart investors use both. So, MP2 can be your foundation. Money Tree can be your global income and protection layer. Local instability plus international exposure. Security, si MP2, plus opportunity, si Money Tree. That's not competition. That's smart portfolio allocation. The goal isn't to pick sides. The goal is to build income, different income streams strategically. So if you want help structuring both properly based on your goals, send me a message and let's design your 5-year plan. Send me a message.